Let's roll the dice and see how your story turns out. It's time to stimulate creative thinking and DIY storytelling in this episode of Library Link. It's always a good time to begin teaching your child how to understand and express stories. Just roll the cues one at a time to create your narrative, adding the represented picture to the sequence of events as you go. You can make it as simple or as involved as you need because this storytelling game can grow with your child's abilities. The possibilities are endless.